अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे हैं हमारा न्यूज़ और मैं हूं मिशेल सादिया। नाज़रीन, यूएई में कोरोनावायरस के कंट्रोल होते ही नए बिजनेस और सर्विसेज का आगाज हो गया। الطوار सेंटर में एक ही छत तले नए बिजनेस के तमाम मामलात और उनका बेहतरीन हल के लिए एमरेट्स कलासिक बिजनेस का इफ्तिताह हुआ। इस मौके पे मीडिया ब्रीफिंग में सीईओ सादिक ने क्या कहा, आइए देखते हैं अरशद महमूद राना की इस रिपोर्ट में। Emirates Classic has started its operations for public in الطوار Center, Al-Qusais, following the concept of navigating coexist. The concept of coexist is launched by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President of UAE and the ruler of Dubai, to reshape the economy and stabilize the damage caused by the pandemic. Emirates Classic also have a sister concern near الطوار Center with an area of 13,000 square feet to provide budget office rentals. There is footfall of around 5,000 customers at الطوار Center, and the management of Emirates Classic has opened their doors to serve maximum number of people with all the government services. CEO Mr. صادق al-Mechanican, Chairman Mr. Tamim Abu Bakr, and GM Mr. Muhyiddin took part in the press conference. At the end, a cake cutting ceremony held there.
Actually, there is the Dubai government has introduced a new license. It's called Dubai Trader. This license, you can take it by online, by assist. You can take online. We give that facilities, very nominal price. You can do any activities with that license. But the trading only can do by local. The trading only can do by local. The rest of all the activities, all the service industries, you can do it. Sit at home, you can do that. Exactly. After the damage of the economy, Dubai government is giving big facilitation to the public, because whatever the payment they have a relaxation for the payment, and for the startups, Dubai government has a good facility to come down here to see this country, and you can do any kind of business with a nominal price.
So many.
Dubai, because rulers of the Dubai really they're looking closely to the business. They have a clear picture and plan about the business. So you don't worry about it. Dubai will come back normally very soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.